Welcome back, everybody. We are getting some breakfast this morning at Boyer Bakery. It's our favorite local
It's probably loud.
Place.
You talk louder.
It's our favorite local place to go.
It's in Surprise, Arizona. What?
I got a pistachio croissant. It's one of their new items. A root beer float latte. It's only seasonal, so I think it might be going away at the end of the month. Brandon got biscuits and gravy. It looks gnarly, but it's delicious.
I highly recommend it.
What did you get, Ethan?
I got K-pop and I'm watching TikTok.
What did you get to drink, Liam?
I got a cherry lemonade
Cherry lemon.
with some biscuits and gravy.
Biscuits and gravy.
I never watched it.
Boom.
So if you're ever in Surprise, come and check them out. Really good. Resort that's coming up in 2024. They're getting ready for it. They're doing a lot of construction, as you can see. So I just wanted to give you a little update. This is gonna be where the that concert venue is at, and I believe the beach area. Looks huge. We're so excited. And then over here we have the Mattel Adventure Park, and this is the Hot Wheels ride, I believe, the Bone Shaker. So, really excited about that. Let us know if you guys are going to be checking this out. We're in Glendale, Arizona. All right, everybody, we're at Tanger Outlets. We're going to do some shopping. So come along with us. Which one?
That golden one?
This one?
Yes. Get it down. Are these for girls or boys?
I think they're for adults.
Why would they fit me?
Bruh, you look like you're from the future. Bruh.
The one oh, they put it the kids sides.
It is? No. Still too big.
in a blanket in my mouth.
Alright everyone, we're back home. We wanted to show you our haul from Tanger. Looks like Brandon got some new Oakley sunglasses. They are the Holbrooks, I believe. Those are his favorite ones. He had some, they were kind of a little bit worn out, so he got some new ones. And then we went to Hurley. They had $10 t-shirts, so Brandon picked up this one. And I picked out this one. It's like a lavender color. It looks a little bit gray on here, but it's a pretty lavender. And then we went to Old Navy and I got these two little onesies for my twin nieces. It's gonna be their first Halloween. So cute. And then I got this shirt for myself. It's a nice desert t-shirt. Looks super cute. And then this I could wear for Halloween and the rest of fall as well. Very nice. And Liam got some shorts for school. Nice wicking shorts. Keep them nice and cool. Those are Quicksilver. And then lastly, we got some Bath & Body Works. The candles were $13. Nice sale. They're usually $26. And the body care, Brandon picked up some body care. He's never tried the beard and face wash, so decided to try that. It was buy 3 get 3 free, or buy 2 get 1 free, so we saved a little bit of money with that. And then I had a free coupon for this hand sanitizer that Liam picked up. And I also had a 10 off 30, so we ended up saving about $38 and it only cost $36. So that's our haul. So that's gonna do it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our haul and you wanna see more Arizona content, consider subscribing. And we'll see you in the next enchantment. Bye.